So just to give you a sense of some of the projects that have come through our doors in the last year, this isn't even all of them, but and not all of these are HUBzero based, but we have things from biology, chemistry, um, uh, different kinds of ecological topics, neuroscience, and they're all different kinds of functions. Some of them are educational, some of them are more data oriented, and so forth. I wanted to just tell you really briefly about two that use the HUBzero platform. One is the QUBES project, and Sean was the EDS consultant on this. I mentioned this project in particular because Drew Lamar, who is the lead PI on this, has taken advantage of just let's see, every single thing that we offer at the Institute. So we're actually in the process of writing up a case study to help people understand the different ways that we can work with you. So he came initially to our project wanting to improve the publication feature in that HUBzero provides in order to improve the services that what the QUBES portal would offer. And so along the way, that got underway, but then he and two of his other project teammates decided to participate in the boot camp. And they did that for an intensive week. Also, Drew attended both our first and second annual conference, but the first one was the one prior, and the second one was after the boot camp. And in between the boot camp and the second conference, Drew during boot camp realized that they needed usability help. So we had the pleasure of working with them to help them think through some of the usability issues associated with their website. Then during the summer also, Drew wanted to have an intern working on his project, and he had already identified someone at his campus at William and Mary, but he thought it was great that he could maybe get that student mentored, and so that student also participated through our internship program, which included an opportunity for that student to attend the PERC conference as well as our Gateways conference. So that pretty much touched every area. Oh, and then the one I forgot is our next area, which I'll tell you about in a moment. So another project is the Aquavit, I think that's how you pronounce it, gateway. Jack Smith from Marshall University has created, and Sean also supported him on that. It's essentially a portal that is helping multiple institutions come together and look at water quality. And so they needed some help with that. And I think that's still in progress, if I remember correctly. And but I just want to give you a sense of that's another HUBzero based project.